In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a manager to your YouTube channel. So the first order of business is please open up YouTube like you normally would and make sure you are signed in using your YouTube account. Once you guys are done with that, all you want to do is you want to go to the top right and press on your profile picture. Then you want to select over here where it says YouTube Studio, and that is going to go ahead and open this up right over here where it's going to show all your analytics and stuff like that. But to begin actually adding people as managers, go to the left menu and select over here where it says Settings. Then select over here where it says Permissions. You're then going to see a list that looks like this, along with the invite button right here. Please select on the invite button and then enter in the email of the individual you're trying to add as a manager. So please ask them for their email and then just enter it in right over here. Please double check that the spelling of the email is 1000% correct. Now over here where it says access, you want to make sure that is set to manager, and it's incredibly important that you also know what a manager actually does. So a manager can view everything. They can manage permissions, go live, create, edit, and delete content. So you really want to make sure you are careful with this. So go ahead and select on it. Then you're going to see this option that says done. And then you want to go ahead and press over here where it says save. And that is actually going to send out the invitation. And when you do this, it's actually going to make you verify that it is actually you who's trying to add a manager. So this is just to prevent like bots or like hackers from actually doing it or something like that. So you just want to go ahead and press on next. And it is going to prompt you to go ahead and sign in to really prove that it is actually you. Now you're able to go ahead and verify by entering your password, by using your mobile device or a passkey. So let's go ahead and press on continue. All right, and then once you guys have verified, there you go. It is then going to send the manager invite to the email that you actually put in. And now all the other person needs to do is they need to check their inbox for an email that looks like this. All right, so here's how the email is going to look like. They should be able to find it towards the top of their inbox, but if anything, you can always look through your spam and stuff like that, or just look up channel invite right over here, and then you're able to go ahead and accept the invitation and become a channel manager. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.